bonjour et bienvenue. Je m'appelle Mademoiselle Rita. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Okay, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. And if you're an old subscriber, oh well, what would I say? Thank you so much for always coming around to watch my video. Okay, you all know what this video is about. We're going to be learning French subject pronouns. Now, learning French subject pronouns actually helps you to be able to do your French conjugation, and also it helps you when you want to make sentences using pronouns, just like we have in the English language. Okay, we know what pronouns are. We have the I, we have the you, we have the he, we have the she, we have the it, we have the they, and so on and so forth. That's the same way we have the subject pronouns in French. Without the subject pronouns, you will not be able to do your conjugation in French. Like, when I mean conjugation, you will not be able to use your verbs rightly in their right forms. Okay, we'll be talking about conjugation as time goes on in a subsequent video. So if you've not subscribed to this channel and you want to learn more of the French in the French language, please, you can, if you've not subscribed, just subscribe to this channel and put on your notifications so you'll be notified when all of these videos pops out. Okay, and our subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Now I want you to take a pause here. You can pause this video right here and observe the subject pronouns. Now if you look at the subject pronouns, we have tu, we have vous, we have il with an S, we have elle with an S, and we have il without an S, and we have L without an S. Bon, now it's simple. Bon, we are going to take it gradually, okay, so we can get the whole picture. Okay, now we have tu and we have vous. Tu and vous actually means the same thing in French. That's to say, they mean you, like you. But why do we have to differentiate these pronouns? Bon, now the tu is used mostly in informal cases, like the French people just like to give, they like to, be respectful. Bon, so they use the tu when you're talking about in informal cases, or someone you're familiar with, someone you're of the same age group with, someone you rapport with, someone that's actually your friend. Then we have vous. Vous also means you, okay, but in this case, vous is used mostly in formal cases. For people you don't know very well, and for strangers, just way of showing respect to elderly people, okay. But it's advisable you use the vous in all situations. Bon? So you just get used to the vous form, because sometimes it can be very trickish, okay, getting used to using the tu with your friends, and then when you're meant to use the vous, and then you still use the tu, and it's like, okay. We have the il and then we have the elle. The il means he, while the elle means she, just like we've seen in the slide. But here, the il is used for masculine gender, he, while the elle is used for feminine gender, okay? Singular, just one girl, okay? Elle, she, one girl. And then we have the il with an S. The il with an S is used referring to more than one boys, like more than one man, boys, men, like boy, masculine gender. Okay, for more than one boys, or as the case may be. Okay, so you use the il singular for one boy without an S, and then you use the il plural for many boys, many men with an S, and then it means they. Bon. Then we use the L, okay, it's the feminine plural form of the singular form of the L, okay, like you can see the additional S, and then the L without an S, she, why this means they, bon, they. Okay, and here's the note: whenever you have, even if you have 1 million women or 1 million girls or 1 million people that are female, and you have just one man or one boy in their midst, okay, we still use the il form, the il plural, yeah, because grammatically it is said that the man has more power, like not power, like grammatically, okay, the il is it's more, it is used than the L. Like the man has more power, like more. What am I doing? Okay, so grammatically speaking, like if you have 1 million girls or 1 million women, okay, you still use, and you just have one boy in their midst, you still use il, depending on if you're using the il singular or you're using the il plural. Okay, so yeah, so that's for that. All right, so now let's go into songs. Okay, like I always used to do, I always like to, you know, sing songs, easy for you to, you know, for you to remember this French vocabularies, and then you will never forget. Okay, all right, so now let's go straight into it. So we have je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. 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 Okay, can you try? Tu, elle, nous, il, elle. Bravo! Let's just go into making sentences to be using the verb chanter. Now, the verb chanter means to sing, like to sing. Okay, chanter means to sing. Okay, I would not be concentrated on the conjugation of these verbs, okay, but just for you to know, there are different ways in which we can conjugate verbs that ends in er in French. So just follow me as we do that conjugation alongside with our subject pronouns. So take note of the endings of these verbs as I conjugate this verb, and then take note of the usage of my subject pronouns. Okay, so now what if I want to say I sing? Now, how do I say I sing? Easy, because I already know the subject pronoun. I means je, and the verb chanter means sing. So all I just need to do is to conjugate it in the right form, and then I have je chante. You can repeat after me. Je chante. I am singing or I sing. Bon, so how do I say you sing? Like you sing. Like you sing. I go, tu chantes. He sings, il chante. Elle chante. Nous chantons. Vous chantez. Il chante. Elle chante. Bravo! Okay, so that's our conjugation of the verb chanter using our subject pronouns and your meanings. Alright guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to comment, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and until I see you in my next video. For now, au revoir.